Unleash the power of effortless podcast transcriptions and supercharge your content's reach with Otter.ai and Buzzsprout. First, you'll want to log into your Buzzsprout account. Once you're in, locate your podcast episode that you wish to transcribe. Navigate to the episode section and select the specific episode you want to integrate with Otter.ai. Make sure your audio file is uploaded and ready to go. Next, open a new tab and sign into your Otter.ai account, or create one if you don't have one. This step ensures you have access to your Otter.ai account and can link it to your Buzzsprout podcast. Inside of Otter.ai, navigate to the Connect Apps section, which is often found under Integrations or your user profile settings. You should see Buzzsprout listed. Click on the Buzzsprout integration to begin the connection process. You'll then be prompted to grant Otter.ai access to your Buzzsprout account. This is done to allow Otter.ai to access your audio files. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This typically involves entering your Buzzsprout login information within Otter.ai or linking through an API key. Once the accounts are linked, go back to your Buzzsprout dashboard and refresh the episodes page. Now, within the episode settings, you should see a new option related to the Otter.ai integration, like Import Transcription. Select this and choose the Import Transcription option, depending on the prompts. After selecting your desired integration, your podcast episode will be automatically transcribed by Otter.ai and integrated into your Buzzsprout platform. This transcribed text will appear in a place like the episode notes. You can now edit and refine the transcription directly within Buzzsprout at timestamps where needed. Check the accuracy and polish it to perfection. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Otter.ai with Buzzsprout. Podcast guests can now enjoy clear, shareable transcriptions. Now your episodes are incredibly more accessible for all listeners, and your podcast's SEO is about to skyrocket.